Looking for the most powerful rifle scopes on the market? Some optics offer extreme accuracy, advanced features, and long-range performance that feel almost too good to be true. These high-end scopes are so effective, it's like the government doesn't want you to have them. In this guide, we reveal 5 rifle scopes the government doesn't want you to own in 2026. Number 5. Pulsar Thermion 2 LRF XP50 Pro Thermal Rifle Scope is a state-of-the-art optic designed for hunters and professional shooters who demand cutting-edge thermal imaging technology, precision accuracy, and rugged durability in the field. Equipped with a powerful 640x480 microbolometer sensor with a 17 ohm pixel pitch and NETD 25 MK sensitivity, this rifle scope delivers exceptional thermal detail and contrast, allowing users to detect the smallest heat signatures even in total darkness, heavy fog, or challenging weather conditions. Its integrated laser rangefinder, with a detection range of up to 875 yards, provides instant and accurate distance readings, giving shooters a decisive advantage when making long-range shots. The Thermion 2 XP50 Pro features a high-resolution 1024x768 AMOLED display that produces sharp, fluid images, while the wide selection of color palettes ensures customization for any scenario. With a detection range extending beyond 2,000 yards, hunters can easily identify and track game at extreme distances. Built into a classic rifle scope body with 30mm mounting rings, it combines cutting-edge thermal performance with a traditional design for seamless integration on a wide variety of rifles. Rugged and reliable, it is IPX7 waterproof rated and engineered to withstand extreme temperatures and recoil from high-caliber rifles. Additional features include onboard video and still image recording, Wi-Fi connectivity for smartphone integration, and multiple reticle options for customized shooting preferences. Whether used for hog hunting at night, predator control, or tactical operations, the Pulsar Thermion 2 LRF XP50 Pro redefines thermal rifle scopes by delivering unmatched performance, accuracy, and versatility in any environment. Number 4. Schmidt & Bender PM2 Police Marksman 2 is a world-renowned optic trusted by military, law enforcement, and elite precision shooters for its unmatched accuracy, rugged reliability, and superior German engineering. Designed to excel in the most demanding tactical and long-range scenarios, the PM2 is available in a variety of magnification ranges, with the popular 5 to 25x56 model setting the standard for sniper optics worldwide by offering exceptional versatility from medium to extreme long distances. Its premium glass and advanced multi-coated optics deliver unparalleled clarity, edge-to-edge sharpness, and outstanding light transmission, ensuring precise target identification even in low-light conditions at dawn or dusk. The first focal plane reticle provides accurate subtensions at all magnifications, while finely tuned tactile turrets with distinct audible clicks allow for exact, repeatable adjustments in windage and elevation, critical for precision shooting under pressure. Built with a robust 34mm tube, the PM2 is waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof, capable of withstanding harsh combat environments and heavy recoil without compromising performance or losing zero. Its generous eye relief and wide field of view enhance shooter comfort and situational awareness, while innovative features such as double-turn turrets, lockable settings, and illumination controls provide adaptability in fast-changing operational conditions. Trusted by NATO forces and professional marksmen worldwide, the Schmidt & Bender PM2 embodies the gold standard in tactical rifle scopes, combining superior optical performance, battlefield-proven toughness, and precision engineering to deliver absolute confidence and accuracy in every mission-critical shot. Number 3. Nightforce ATACR 735x56 F1 is the ultimate long-range precision optic, engineered for professional marksmen, military snipers, and competitive shooters who demand unrivaled clarity, durability, and accuracy at extreme distances. Featuring an impressive 7 to 35x magnification range, paired with a massive 56mm objective lens, The ATACR delivers extraordinary resolution, color contrast, and light transmission, ensuring crisp target identification and detail recognition from dawn to dusk. Its first focal plane reticle allows for precise holdovers, ranging, and windage corrections at any magnification, giving shooters absolute confidence in every shot. Built with ED glass and fully multi-coated lenses, this optic provides edge-to-edge sharpness and exceptional performance in both bright and low-light conditions. The zero-stop elevation turret system enables shooters to return instantly to their original zero, while the high-speed adjustment turrets offer tactile, highly repeatable clicks for precision dialing in the field or on the competition line. Constructed from a bomb-proof 34mm tube, the ATACR is waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof, capable of withstanding harsh recoil and extreme environments without losing zero. Generous eye relief enhances shooter comfort and safety, while a wide field of view at lower magnification ensures situational awareness before dialing in for ultra-long-range precision. Whether deployed on a battlefield, competing in PRS matches, or pushing the limits of long-range hunting, the Nightforce ATACR 735-56F1 is regarded as one of the most advanced and dependable optics ever built, delivering the clarity, repeatability, and ruggedness required for the most demanding shooting applications in the world. Number 2. Trijicon ACOG is one of the most iconic and battle-proven rifle scopes in the world, trusted by military forces, law enforcement, and civilian shooters for its unmatched durability, clarity, and speed. Built with a fixed power design available in multiple magnification options, the ACOG delivers superior optical performance with crystal-clear multi-coated glass that provides exceptional light transmission, true color fidelity, and razor-sharp clarity from edge to edge. Its unique dual illumination system, powered by fiber optics and tritium, ensures the reticle is always visible, automatically adjusting brightness based on ambient light, without the need for batteries, making it completely reliable in the field. The illuminated reticle, offered in a variety of ballistic drop compensating designs, allows for quick holdovers and rapid target acquisition at both close and long ranges, while the bend-in aiming concept enables both eyes-open shooting for maximum situational awareness in fast-moving engagements. Ruggedly constructed from forged aircraft-grade aluminum, the ACOG is shock-proof, waterproof, and virtually indestructible, built to withstand heavy recoil and the harshest battlefield environments without losing zero. Compact and lightweight, it mounts easily to a wide range of rifles, providing shooters with superior balance and handling. With its proven track record in combat and reliability in hunting, tactical, and defensive applications, the Trijicon ACOG remains the gold standard in combat optics, offering shooters unparalleled toughness, precision, and performance when it matters most, making it not just a scope, but a force multiplier trusted around the globe. Number 1. Leupold Mark 5HD 525x56 is a top-tier precision rifle scope designed for long-range shooting enthusiasts and professional marksmen who demand uncompromising performance in every environment, combining rugged construction, optical clarity, and advanced reticle technology into a single, versatile package. Featuring a 5 to 25x magnification range paired with a large 56mm objective lens, this scope provides exceptional light transmission, making it ideal for dawn, dusk, or low-light scenarios, while maintaining crisp, bright, and high-contrast images across the entire field of view. Built with Leupold's renowned ruggedness, the Mark 5 HD is waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof, ensuring it can withstand extreme recoil, harsh weather, and rough handling without losing zero or precision. Its zero-lock elevation and windage turrets deliver repeatable tactile adjustments, while the ballistic reticle system and the optional Tremor 3 MOA or MIL-based reticles enable precise ranging and holdovers, giving shooters confidence when engaging targets at extended distances. Lightweight yet durable, the scope uses aircraft-grade aluminum and premium lens coatings to minimize glare, reduce distortion, and enhance light-gathering capabilities, allowing users to detect subtle details that can make the difference in critical shots. Additionally, the scope is optimized for tactical, competition, and hunting applications, offering a combination of speed, accuracy, and versatility that few optics in the market can match. From engaging small targets at 100 yards to executing precision shots at 1,000 yards or more, the Leupold Mark 5 HD 5-2556 stands out as a reliable, high-performance optic that elevates both the skill of the shooter and the overall shooting experience.